Hi there, it's Deborah Brown. Welcome back to the Fewer Fights, Better Nights channel, the relationship gym for couples. I wanted to talk with you today about something that may be a new perspective for some and a reminder for others. My hope is that what I have to say will keep filling your relationship tank for the journey ahead for years and years to come. Now, if you've ever looked at your relationship and thought, why does this feel so hard? You're not alone. Every couple who's ever loved deeply has hit that wall of frustration, of disconnection or exhaustion. But here's something I tell my clients, and I will tell you. I want you to really let it sink in. You've already done the hardest parts. Out of billions of people in this world, you found each other. Do you realize how amazing that is? So many people go through life never finding their person, never experiencing that spark, that comfort, that deep knowing that says, this is my person. And yet, here you are, two imperfect people with an incredible opportunity to build something beautiful together. That's no small thing. That's rare. That's sacred. And that's why it breaks my heart to see couples who love each other feel stuck, disconnected, or hopeless. Because I know what's underneath that frustration. Love that just wants to be seen, understood, and safe again. That's why I do what I do. When I sit with a couple, I don't just see two people. I see their story, the laughter, the late night talks, the inside jokes, the quiet hopes that brought them together. My job is to help them remember that connection, to bring it back to life and give them the tools to nurture it. So it doesn't just survive, but thrives. The truth is, relationships aren't about getting it all right or following some perfect script. They're about the courage to be real, to truly see and be seen, to bare your heart even when it feels scary. I know vulnerability isn't easy for many. It's about choosing each other again and again and fighting for the kind of connection that makes you feel alive, the kind that reminds you why you fell in love in the first place. I know love can feel fragile at sometimes, but understand that inside that fragility is your greatest strength, the power to create something unbreakable. Because most couples aren't missing love. They're missing the understanding, the tools, and the communication that let that love shine through. And that's exactly what I'm here to help you build. So if this message resonated with you, take a deep breath and remind yourself you've already done the hardest part. You found each other. Now let's build something extraordinary from here. To help you with that, I have created a connection jumpstart guide for you. You'll find the link below in the description. That, I hope, will be a big start to the new connection you're forging. In keeping with what we just spoke about, I would love to know one thing that made you fall in love with your partner in the first place. When did you know they were your person? Please write that in the comments. I'm a big romantic, so I will be reading each and every one. If this video was of value to you, please let me know by hitting the like button. And if you haven't already, hit subscribe, turn on your notifications. Don't forget to grab your free connection jumpstart guide. Let's start turning frustration into connection, one conversation at a time. You've got this, and I'm right here with you.